What's good, y'all? And welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is Elijah. Today we got Chainsaw Man, episode 11. Last left off, Aki getting a new contract, Future Devil. And then, what's homie's name? Denji and Power getting mopped with their new instructor. I can only imagine his contracts, but they giving him the work. Well, he's giving them the works. And I don't know if they got much stronger, much skillful, but they getting smarter. Hence glasses, they were getting smarter, I guess. But that's the thing with Denji. I've always said, if he just had a power boost in some way, then he'd be better. A power boost. Like, I don't know if if he trained Denji when he did the chainsaw mode. I don't think he would win necessarily. I still don't think Denji would win, but like, I would like to know, did he learn to control it better? Because from what we've seen, he just transforms, goes crazy. There's no control knowing what he can and can't do. Like, I want to know if he takes the time to actually train in that form. And it requires blood, obviously, but like, does he know how much blood he needs? Does he realize if he gets blood from certain devils that he gets stronger? Like, I want to know the ins and outs of his ability. I would assume so, but I could be wrong. Anyway, that's what happened in the last episode. We're going to see what's going on with Aki. Other than that, we just gonna dive right on in. Yeah, that's mad creepy. Yeah, that's a goofball. Well, really? That's disgusting. Are you serious? He just complain. Only 2 people have a contract with this dude. Are you serious? You really about to do it? Alright. Well, he's serious. Okay. That's so weird. What? That's crazy. Okay, wow. He said, yo, death is gonna be thrilling. You sure you want to know? That is crazy. If it's that bad, oh wow. Okay. Wow. I just realized they got to cut off this man. That's very admirable, though. He's like, thank you. In his way. Exactly. Oh, she avoiding the question. Ooh, that's a threat. Ooh, he threatened you. But yeah, that's a threat, girl. What's up? Alright. She's staying to that story. That's her aim. Whatever that is. Mm-hmm. Exactly. He called her out and everything. She's like, you liar. She don't care. She smiled. She was like, yeah, I am. That's what that was. Yeah. Yeah, it's...
君のことムカつくけど応援しとくわ。最後にこの言葉を送る。得意課にはまともなやつはいないから気をつけな。
That was a form of endearment just now. Yeah. Get the good stuff, her. What good stuff? Oh, she about to take him out now. The disrespect. She patiently
明
waited.
日金じゃ仲間は売れんよ。
これはお金じゃ。ここにいる皆さんの父や母、おばあちゃん、おじいちゃん、兄弟、姉妹、恋人、奥さんの目です。
Yeah?
目
Yeah.
安心してください。公安には目を元通りにできる人がいます。ご協力していただけ
She
るのなら
really went out her way to do. That's wild. Well, you're dead. I don't know how, but you're dead.
必要な悪というのは常に国家が首輪をつけて支配しているものです。
Oh, that's her goal.
地下と1階入り口は
Okay.
合間に
Oh, they on the scene. Oh, she's still here? I thought she would left.
帰りゃいいじゃねえか。俺は特訓したからよ。このもみあげマンぶっ殺してやる。
Sideburns, man.
特訓して頭も良くなったからの楽勝じゃ。帰りたい。
作戦はない。
No
ど
plan.
こ行か全員をビルにぶち込む。
And just go raise havoc. Yo, does he have a new sword? I don't think that's the. It is. It looks like a katana.
なく4課と交戦になった場合に備えて
That's
隊員の
crazy.
特徴を説明しておく。
He said if they go AWOL, take them out. Yeah, swim through. Oh, okay.
壁の中や地面、どんな場所でも泳ぐことができる。
Oh, wow.
小短い間なら悪魔の姿にもなれる。
Kick the heck out of you.
ごめんな。噛まれたからゾンビだと思った。
暴力の魔人。
The
本
violence
来魔
fiend.
人になると悪魔の時よりも弱くなるが、こいつは魔人でも
So shouldn't he be overpowered because there's always violence? Because isn't that the fear? Like, the stronger the fear in general, the more powerful they become? Okay, homegirl just look crazy.
雲の悪魔。
Okay, so she's a devil, the other two are fiends.
人の姿に近い悪魔は人に有効的だが、悪魔は悪魔だ。感触で人を殺すぞ。
So she's like Denji because Denji's like a devil too. Like,
靴汚れた。
it's the fiends and then there's devils. L?
天使の悪魔。
The irony.
こいつは特殊な悪魔で、
A bit of a
人に
special
敵
case.
がないが近づくな。触れると寿命を吸い取られるからな。
Physical contact. Then there's him. Yeah, he's using a katana. It's not the curse blade.
ハンカチ持ってない。
This man is going directly to the source. How you not know? What is the future's devil's ability? Does he tell him where to go? Like, what does he do? How do you sheath your blade like that? Yeah. My guy here's a submachine. Oh, there goes Makima. Only person I know take out bodies from a distance. Yep, there's Makima. That's the house she was at originally, so are they dead? I guess so.
おとなしく投稿しろ。
That was quick. She said spit it out. Oh, okay.
幽霊あいつを殺せ
Wait, what? So she swallowed it, but then alright, questions.
前よりも動けるな
僕の力を使えばね、君の右目は少し先の未来が見えるよ。
Okay. That's how it works. That's it? That's all it does? Let you peek in the future a bit? That's it? That's crazy. Oh, you need a better contract, my guy. Oh my gosh. Just being able to see a little in the future is not cool. Come on, Aki. You didn't think this one through? The outro's fire, I'm not gonna lie, but okay. Wait a minute. Alright, hold on. We going through this shit on my own time. Listen. You mean to tell me homie about to get choked out? I don't believe he's gonna get choked out. This is one of the main characters, but it's the fact that, bro, you didn't think of anything else better? That's all he provided, just for you to see little in the future? That's it? Like, that's all you got? This man takes people's lifespans, an eye, ligaments or whatever, and all he can do is see little in the future? That's it? It doesn't mean nothing if you can't respond to it fast enough, know what I mean? Like, homie over here dodging billions of hands. Speaking of hands, you mean to tell me that homegirl, you said, as he was about to speak, you said, snake, come, spit out, thank you. That was it? That was it? And her nose started leaking, which was throwing me off. I was like, wait, why is her nose leaking? Is it because Makima did something as well? Is that what just happened? That's a cheap way to go. Wow, I wanted him to at least throw some hands or something. That means Denji and Power about to go hand in hand with the sword devil. But he's got to have more contracts than that. That's all he's getting from them, because there ain't no way he winning these fights. There's no way, unless there's something that we don't know about his ability, or what we're seeing is a whole misdirect. And he saw that already before getting there, and then the next thing we find out, he's like, all right, I know how to cancel this, and it just fades. But if he only sees like a second into the future, then that's kind of, you know what I mean? Anywho, I'm just, yeah, nah, this ain't looking good. Anyway, it's cool that they introduced new characters, the Angel Devil, Shark Devil, they're in the intro, and I think, or the Fiend, no, I get confused between the angel and then the devil, not the angel. I get confused between the devil and the fiend, the difference between them. But yeah, that seemed pretty interesting nonetheless. But y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Season finale, next episode, next week. You ready for that? It's gonna be mayhem. I know that. That being said, until we meet again, y'all stay safe, be blessed. Peace.